Hi everyone! I'm Mika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys is all about our Bolinao Pangasinan trip and also our Calamba Laguna trip. Today is June 15, 8:16 PM and actually kakauwi ko lang guys galing ng Calamba Laguna kasi doon kami nag-swimming kasama yung family ng tita ko which is si Mami Beng and ginanap din doon yung late birthday celebration ni Amir. Just a quick disclaimer guys that this video is mostly B-rolls or montage of the place since when I was there, I tried to enjoy the place as much as I can even though I have academic related stuff pa rin to do since ayun nga, hindi pa rin tapos yung school namin and actually finals pa lang namin ngayon sa PUP. So, during our trip sa Pangasinan, dala-dala ko yung laptop ko and I was doing production works. I tried to talk on some of the videos since I want this video to be engaging, fun, and creative. I hope that you guys will enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's it. Enough with the long intro. Let's just get right into the video. Hi guys, so nandito kami sa Basta Gasolinahan at bumili kami ng dirty ice cream. Yummers! Hey!
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 Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh! What is that? Hello guys, so uwi na po kami at ano pong masasabi
Go here sa Bolinao. Napaka-solid, napaka-aesthetics ng dating, saka ambience niya. 10-10.
How about the beach?
The beach, of course, 10-10 as well. Sobrang clear.
How
Tapos,
about
ang
the
dami
room
nakikita.
and everything?
Everything is good and great and very comfy. So, it's family recommendable.
Family recommendable.
Diba?
How was your experience at this beach resort?
Oh, it's great. The beach is so clean and there's no strong waves. So that's what I like in the sea. Seize the day.
How about the rooms and everything?
Rooms, everything. It's very cold. The air condition. Wow.
Okay, thanks! So guys, nakabili tayo ng puto ng 100 lang. Si ate yung nagbebenta ng puto. Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Teodoricos, Eat All You Can, and ngayon ay papasok kami. May SpongeBob pa dito guys. As you can see, may welcome dyan. Pasok na kami guys. Ito siya guys.
The view, guys.
May drinks. In fairness sa ambience, very minimalist and very gardening. Meron din sila mga LED lights like that. Always busog. This is my plate, guys. Chicken. Ang sarap ng chicken. Ten out of 10. Mag-try ka. Sarap pa. Sarap. Sarap na to. I'm done eating, you guys, and sobrang sarap ng food. For me, it's 10 out of 10, lalo na at ang presyo niya lang is 267 or 69 per person. Sobrang sulit niya na talaga kasi sa Manila, yung kamahanap na gano'n na buffet na 269 or 267 na presyo kasi ang minimum nila is 500 pesos. So like, sobrang sulit nito, guys. This is yogurt dito sa Bulacan. Dami ko nakain actually. Nag-batch to ako and sobrang sarap ng mga food. Ang favorite ko ay ang chicken. Sobrang flavorful niya talaga from inside and out. Inside and out. Ang sarap din ng dessert nila na buko pandan. Sobrang milky and sobrang soft ng jelly. Yung ano din, yellow rice or yung java rice, masarap din siya. Actually, lahat naman masarap. Ang hindi ko lang medyo bet is yung soup. Kasi bland siya for my taste or like parang may something weird ako na natitikman sa kanya. Pero overall, this place is a 9 out of 10. Actually, 10 out of 10 na. Sige na, give na yan. Give na yan sa Chagalitos. The ambience interior is so good. Minimalist lang siya, pero makikita mo talaga na clean yung place and everything. Then yung mga food nila, you have a variety of choices talaga sa food. Daming ulam, and may mga desserts din. For an affordable price like this is actually so worth it. Isitahin nyo na with your friends or family, you guys. And, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, follow, and share this video with your friends. See you on my next vlog. Bye!